This is Lego City set 60459. Comes with a pilot for the plane. Comes with a nice compass. There's the back printing. And then this is the driver for the hospital bed. Got a cast on. Has bandages around his head. There's the back printing. And then these are the cards they use. So this one's a plane. So put your character in here, your minifigure, sit him down in that spot, like that. And then with the hospital bed, gotta fold his legs, fold his arms up and fold his legs up too, so he can sit in there nicely. You can see his heart rate monitor, and it does come with a helmet. So I'll show you the helmet. Take his bandages off. You can sit his helmet on top. And there he is. So this set is pretty cool. If you get the other set, that's the pizza cart and fire truck set. It's pretty good to go alongside with them. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it, and see you guys later. Goodbye.